Here's what I got so far. Blackberry, blueberry. It's doing really good. I think I might need to cut it back a little bit. It's a strawberry. That's a grapevine, green grapes. I think these are little collards, green collards. Spinach is on this side, really, yeah, maybe a little bit. I'm not sure if that's it or not. I got garlic chives down on this side, maybe. And I had parsley on this side, but as you can see, it ain't really gonna work. I got cucumbers, cantaloupe in the back, cantaloupe about to there, and then the rest is watermelon down that way. I think I got cucumbers, I got some lettuce, cabbage, and then here, yeah, these are watermelon, cucumber, watermelon. I got some jalapenos here and there, cabbage, lettuce, bell peppers, tomatoes, maybe a few cherry tomatoes, some corn. A lot of stuff ain't come up though. I threw seeds in here and was praying for the best, but I really don't care too much. I mean, as you can see, look at it, it's straight topsoil dirt, so it ain't gonna do very good. It's all clay, it's hard, the roots don't want to go through it. A lot of my stuff is dying out, but I really don't care too much. Just getting it ready for next year. I need to fix this. It's too long, pushing my wood out. But I got a bunch of these up. I got all my flower pots ready. I got these free from Chris. All of these, bunch of them. My bottle garden's doing all right. I got carrots, they're sprouting. I got a few seeds that actually came up. Onions, these were actually Amazon green scallion onions I bought from Amazon. I chopped them down to almost the root, put them back in there, they regrew. I think that's garlic chives, to be honest with you. I accidentally threw it in onions. Same thing, Amazon, 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 Amazon. Parsley, got some growing there, some there, none up there. Some of them died. This one died. But as you can see, there's other sprouts coming up from the seeds I threw in there. Threw a bunch of seeds. Parsley, radish. Got two radishes on both sides, radish on both sides, radish on both sides, radish. All my radishes are popping up. Lettuce, little thing of lettuce popping up now. Another one, lettuce. It's empty. Some of the stuff actually died. I think maybe the cold weather. Beets, looking like they're changing colors. Beets. Jalapenos, don't ask why I'm trying it. I just want to see what happens. I got two from inside. I threw some seeds in here, but nothing's happened. Garlic chives, I did have little sprouts. They died out, I don't know why. Maybe because of too much fertilizer. Garlic chives. Broccoli. One's growing. Broccoli. We got turnips, they all died. As you can see right there, it's dying. Maybe it's because it's the fertilizer, it's mixed in with the organic manure stuff. We got basil. Really haven't started anything yet on this side, but I took some of my Jiffy greenhouse and threw them in there. It's basil. I need to get another stick down in there. Now I know what I got. Kale. These are sprouted from inside. That one's actually growing out now. Same with that one. And I got kale. I didn't start throw any seeds in there yet. Then we got cilantro. And I still got to finish the rest of the fence. I need to cut this back a little bit. I need to cut it about right here to give sun in the morning to all this. And maybe I should leave it up so don't burn it up too much. That's what it looks like. All the way down through the fence there. Next time, I'm going to cut these back down next year and I'm going to zigzag them. One up higher than the other, you know, kind of zigzag. I think it would look a little cooler. Looks like a freaking meth lab, to be honest, but yeah, learning something. And on this side's my garden. It's a good little spot. I can hide my wild rain barrels. I need another one right here in the middle. I need another one about right here. I don't know how I'm going to do it on the end with that tree there in the way. There's the shingles I replaced, and they were like more of a brown. But yeah, that's what I got so far. My garden used to be a dog pen. Years ago, my dad used to have German short-haired pointers, hunting dogs, and we used to breed them and whatnot. We used to leave the hunting dogs out there in the pen. We had a dog house and all that, and we built that years ago. All of that, and it used to be all fenced in with a roof. But I took a lot of the pipes and stuff, and I think I sold it like an idiot. I should have kept it. I could have enclosed it. I would never have to worry about anyone stealing my stuff. I got peas back here. Some of them are sprouted back in there. I went halfway. Right here, I went halfway. Peas on this side, beans are on that side. I got squash back here and sunflowers so far. I think I tried to do some bell peppers, I believe, if I remember right. That's pretty much it. I threw some bug spray down, a bug killer. It's not very good. I don't know how it's going to work in my garden this year, but a lot of the stuff is still like babies. So I don't think it's going to hurt much, but it's season-long control, so I'm like kind of scared to eat the stuff now. But oh well. If I at least get seeds made out of all this, I'd be happy with a lot of stuff. I need another flower pot I got to clean up. A few others over there. I need to figure out what to throw that into that. We'll see where we go from there, I guess. Got a couple more of these. This one's been holding water, so I ain't been wanting to use it. This is more like a trash can. I think I'm just gonna keep this as a trash can. Yeah. Collect the water there too. I got all these filled up with water. Well, it's time for me to take this bird feeder thing, screw the top off of it, take it in the house and clean it. It's getting dirty. And I'll probably have to cut some of these trees. I'm gonna go a little higher. I'll probably go up to about here and try to trim it back. That way more sun will get down inside of here, but it really ain't working too well. The peas are coming up okay, but the beans ain't. I got a few things of squash and all that, like I said. The birds are happy. The mulberry bush is getting berries on it. They got some food. I got some up in here, living here. I got some over there, living there. I might make another flower thing out of these. I don't know. I gotta tear these mowers down. I'm gonna keep this one. This was my good one, and I might be able to get this running again, spark plugs and all that, paint it. But yeah, tear this down, keep the bolts, nuts, every little thing. Tear this table down, find a place for all these pipes. I think it was a trampoline. I might make a greenhouse out of that. If anyone wants a Ford Ranger 94 plastic trim for your bumper, I got it. Give it to you for 20 bucks, both of them. I'm keeping this one though. This is a new one, and I painted it and I messed it up. I gotta redo it. But yeah, just a little tour of what I got so far. The next project, probably paint all of this, trim black, so it don't look funky, just an old nasty gray. Birdie's happy out there, looking for food now. Yep, that's what I got. See ya.